Welcome to Xmind 101. In this episode, we'll highlight a few features that give your mind maps a fresh, stylish look and help them grab the right attention. Let's start with a hand-drawn style. It gives your mind map a relaxed, sketch-like vibe while keeping everything clear. To apply it to your entire map, open the Format panel, Map, and choose a skeleton with a hand-drawn style. If you'd like to style just a single topic, click it and choose Hand-Drawn Style in the Style panel. In just a few seconds, your map will look more playful, creative, and uniquely yours. Next up, the Rich Text Style. This feature lets you mix different fonts, colors, and sizes within a single topic. Use it to highlight key information, make contrast clear, and improve readability. In addition to text styles, you can also customize the look of every topic in your map. For example, click on a subtopic. You can change its shape, fill, border, and more. In the Map section, you'll find options to auto-balance the map, compact it, or justify topic alignment. These tools help you fine-tune the layout. Need extra flexibility? Just enable branch-free positioning in Advanced Layout. Turn it on first, then drag and drop the subtopic anywhere on the canvas to place ideas exactly where you need them.